Quick video here, just showing you how to put the Mazdas into service mode for the handbrake, for the rear pad replacement. It's going to be a bit awkward doing it with one hand. I do need another pair. So first of all, accelerate to the floor, the handbrake button to release, and then ignition on, off, and then on again. You should hear the motors wind back, and then you can effectively switch the ignition off. The pistons on these are just push back, there's no wind back tool needed. And then to get it back out of the service mode, it's accelerated down, handbrake up this time, and again ignition on, off, and on again. And again you should hear the motors wind back out, and that is how you do service mode.